Hey everyone, and welcome to episode 5 of Q Shala's Curiosity Clips. Let's see what our question for this episode is. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is delicious and mischievous and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. This modified version of the Hippocratic Oath was written as a tribute to which female pioneer associated with the medical profession. If you guessed the Florence Nightingale pledge, you're absolutely correct. Just like the Hippocratic Oath, which is a pledge for doctors, the Florence Nightingale pledge is a pledge for nurses. It is a promise not to indulge in any deleterious and mischievous activities and to respect the nursing profession. It was created by a committee for the Farron Training School Grace for Nurses in Detroit. But this oath is only popular in the US. Florence Nightingale was also famously known as the Lady with the Lamp, as she would visit soldiers at night with a small lantern in her hand during the Crimean War in the 1850s. She was also the first woman to be awarded the Order of Merit in 1907, and International Nurse Day is celebrated on her birthday every year on the 12th of May. She was truly a sister with a purpose. Sister is a common term used for nurses in many Commonwealth countries, as back in the day, married women were not allowed to work, so many women in the nursing profession were nuns and hence referred to as sister. But this has been losing popularity as times have changed and there are many male nurses in the industry as well. The term that is most accepted in many countries is simply nurse. Nurses have been known to do some really cool stuff throughout history. I'm sure you would have heard of the Live Aid concert that took place in 1985, where celebrities like Eric Clapton, Elton John, Madonna, and the band Queen performed. That was inspired by Claire Bertschinger, a nurse who was trying to raise awareness about the famine in Ethiopia. She had given an interview on BBC where she explained how terrible the situation was, and that was a catalyst to organize the Live Aid concert that raised approximately $127 million. To talk about another exceptional nurse who redefined the profession itself is our own Mother Teresa. Known for her selfless service of helping the poor in India, mostly Calcutta, she encouraged many nuns to leave the safety of the chapel and go outside to aid the poor and hungry. In 2016, the Catholic Church canonized her as a saint as a recognition for her service in India. Unfortunately, even though Mother Teresa paved the way for nurses in India, according to WHO, India has a shortage of about 2.5 million nurses, which is alarming as we have as many as 850 nursing colleges in the country. One of the causes is said to be nurses moving to other countries for better opportunities, as well as the lack of resources in India to train nurses. Despite the demands of their job, nurses continue to work hard. Hence, the theme for World Health Day 2020 was Year of the Nurses and Midwives. We must remember to pay tribute to all they do, especially during the coronavirus crisis that we're facing right now. We hope that you found this curiosity clip useful. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, then like, share and subscribe to our channel Q Shala. And to learn more about what we do and attend a free Q Shala masterclass, visit www.qshala.com. Thank you for watching this video and we'll see you soon.